Alright, so if you're having trouble removing some of these screws, try giving the box some upwards pressure to give some pull on the thread, and then try removing the bolt. Alright, so here's the filter. And it's very filthy, but it's actually not that bad. I used to work for, still not that bad. I used to work for a Jiffy Lube, and I used to see some crazy shit, man. I've seen birds in these boxes, dead squirrels. I've seen probably people's front lawns inside of these boxes. Alright, so this is the stock air filter, and that's at the 48,000 miles. If you guys want to see the video, me popping in the air filter, check out the other videos on our channel. We have almost 300 videos and we're growing, so we appreciate the support. Comment, like, subscribe.